Oh, he's gonna use his foot. Hey, that's smart thinking. So he's doing this. He's like pushing it. All right, so it's raining, or unless it's just clipping on the audio. Okay, brake lights, we're really close, but you know, that's what you gotta do. Good positioning for safety. We're in a lane filtering position, good line of sight. People are merging back and forth, so just sit back. There's no rush, no rush. Oh, we can help. We can help. I wouldn't get behind. Oh, he's gonna use his foot. Hey, that's smart thinking. So he's doing this. He's like pushing it. Very smart. Now it's dangerous, but it's smart. That was really cool. I like that. I like that. And he's able to get in, because I bet you he was by himself. Did he jump it? No. Like my shoes? Yeah, I didn't think about that either, Ben. I didn't even think about it. I know people do that for other motorcyclists. Hey, slow it down over here. But you can, that's really cool. It's just dangerous for you, because if you get hit, it's a no bueno. Here we go, red Stuck, riding around, having some fun, sun in the eyes. It's a corner. Somebody just, oh, what is that? Is that a llama? No, it's a deer. Good job. Was able to navigate that or adapt to it. It was right around the corner, so he applied some brake pressure. Saw an uncommon thing in a common situation. What the heck is that in the middle of the road? And we're gonna slow it down, let them out, and then move on. Good job. Good job. Some people would panic. Some people would panic. There we go. Moving on through here. David Torlatilot.
About this in almost every episode. Lane speeding at this speed gives you absolutely no chance of reacting appropriately.
Good job, Motostars. And there's the crash. So how did that happen? I think we ran over our buddy's foot. Does rev bombs work on deer? Possibly. Anything works on deer. They're scared of everything. So what happened here? Did he hit the vehicle first, or did he panic brake and then hit the vehicle? Write it in the comments. I want to see what you have to say before we even go over this.
All right, man?
Hey, he lifted that thing up good.
No, it wasn't.
Used all back.
White car?
Yeah.
I think I got it on camera, man.
I got camera
Yep.
too, but I got no insurance.
Uh-oh. No insurance.
Beacon.
No insurance. You know where you can
know
get
brake
a
fluid.
quality insurance provider? We'll have an ad for that. All right, here we go. Moving on with this. I think that's it. Is it going to show? Okay, it's going to show some damage. Let's see what the damage is. Do we have any damage on us? That's what I care about. The bike can be replaced. It can be fixed. But your skin, yes, it grows back, but your tattoos won't.
Yeah.
Cracked.
Cracked the frame. So dual disc front brakes. What happened? What happened?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sun in the shadows.
Over to the side.
All right, so part of being safe on an accident scene is to pull over to the side. Remember, ensure your safety, because he is rescuing another rider. So he's just ensuring his own safety. Let's go back a little bit. We're going to talk just briefly about what happened. Motostars did a great job when it came to saying if you lane split and lane filter at these speeds, you don't have time to react. I don't have to explain it again because Motostars did it.
Gives you absolutely no chance of reacting appropriately.
Exactly. So here it is. Here's the vehicle in question, and here's the motorcycle rider. Pay attention to this. Now the vehicle switched over. Okay, that happens. That happens when you lane filter. Now, what's the big difference here with this lane filtering and slow speed lane filtering? It's the high speed. You don't have time to react. And so if you don't have time to react, you're going to get closer and closer, and then that person comes right in front of you. What are you going to do? You're braking, but you don't have enough total stopping distance. So what you do? You slam that front brake right at the last second, and that's when you dump the bike. So let's go ahead and take a look at what happens. So right here, he's going, and before even hitting the vehicle, take a look. He starts to slide and fall down a little bit. So that right there, that front tire lost traction. It's locked up, and we fell down. I don't think there's any damage. And if there is, it's very small. And it's just a little tap. So that's what happened. It was a panic brake. was a panic break.
reacting.
We're going through here, and we panic broke, and we fell down. Now, that can happen to anybody, and if that happens to you, are you prepared for it? Do you have gear? Do you have gear? Do you have gear? Do you have insurance? I don't know. Get some gear. Links in the description for a lot of resources and beginner gear. And yeah, do it. All right. Yeah, wear gear. Look at that. Look at that.
Insurance.
No insurance. Wear gear. All right. Check his pantalones too. Yeah. Moving through. DJ Spencer having a great time. There's going to be a trailer in the road. Good job. Got himself out of there. Rev bombing's not going to help you. Come on, new riders. If you want to know how to ride effectively and smart, make sure you grab the Smart Rider Basic Training ebook. I talk about how to plan your ride, what the Smart Rider principles are all about, the color code chart, what patterns to look for, how to rescue another rider. Anyways, you got to just check it out. Make sure you click the link in the description. There's a discount code. It's the cheapest it's ever going to be. Only 500 people are going to be able to get the code. So make sure you grab yours now. All right, let's get back into the video. All right, wear full gear. The vest is only going to protect so much, okay? 300 people in here, only 184 signed in. Come on now, hit that like button. So we're getting through here. We're going pretty fast. I can't see the speedo, but we're hauling ass through this area. We see a white truck, but there's something in the road. It's like a shadow for us. Now, you also see the sun in the eyes. So we have multiple factors now. We have something in the road, uncommon thing in a common situation. It's a low hanging thing, so you don't really see side of the vehicle. We have sun in the eyes. We have speeds. That's 3 so far. No gear. That's not a factor in the crash, but it's a factor of how injured you could be in a crash. And we're going to get up to here, and we see something. We start the rev bomb immediately. This person in the truck is not going to get out of your way because you're rev bombing. What is it that you need to do? You need to swerve and get around it. Okay, so let's see what happens. There's the swerve. But man, was that close. This right here should not have been this close. You should have been right here already. Because you already see that there's no vehicles coming way back there. Right here you should be and go around and call it a day. Get yourself out of that area. In fact, if you saw this trailer in the way and you're going to get over here, slow it down first and then get around. Because you don't want to be hauling ass just in case there's somebody coming out of here. Okay? Oh my gosh. Get yourself out of there. We're already doing it. Now we're looking back. All right? Move on. Move on. Too close for comfort. Yeah, you got it on camera. Whoa, we're going backwards. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Do you guys see that? Look at his speedo. I saw it for a split second. Thank you for slowing it down, mister. A 100 miles per hour. 100 miles per hour. Slow it down. Slow it down. All right, we're riding around. The real K0. Okay, so we got a nice 360 camera. Do we got a merge issue? Yes, we do. Good job on the swerve. It's Master Chief. Hey, how you doing, 117? When's the new game coming out? When's Halo Infinite coming out? Is it going to have a BR in it? Is it just multiplayer? Is there a storyline? Do we have to play as the other characters? I want to play as Master Chief. Are we playing as you? Let me know. All right.
You good?
Here we go. So we're riding through here. We're having a good time. And we're going to go ahead and pass this vehicle. Now, we don't know why this person's slowing down. We don't know why they're going to switch lanes. Well, maybe we do. What's right here? So it's a straight or right, and this is a straight. Yeah, we don't know why they're doing it then. So we're going to swerve around it and swerve back, and we're good to go. So just do the swerve. You're doing fine, Master Chief. I think it's because of his heads-up display and that Mjolnir armor. I think in the cognitive stuff that they did. Anyways, moving on. I feel like a nerd now. All right, so combo kids. All right. Here we go, riding around. Oh, we got some road rage going on. Is that all we're gonna do? Oh, another view for that. So road rage. So this is a mob ride. Not very good. We're not gonna spend some time on this one. Mob rides. This right here is what causes people to hate motorcycle riders. As simple as that. Let's not do that. It pisses people off. Here we go. So check your blind spots for motorcycles. What's the pattern? Everyone know the pattern. There it is. Big open area. They crossed over. What do you think this person's gonna do? They're gonna cross over too. Boom. Exactly that. Got to pay attention to that. We have the patterns situated here that's going to let us know that people want to get around that slow vehicle. Real quick, I'm just going to show you the pattern. Long line, open lane. We're going faster than the person way up front. This person already wants to move over. Just let them in. You guys have a Cardo Pack Talk Bold. You're talking to each other. Not a big issue. The reason why that person wants to move over, because this truck is going too slow. This person also wants to move over because this truck's going too slow. So once you saw that, be aware of this too. That should be opening your eyes. Big lane right here. There's room for the vehicle and we're going faster. They're going to do it. They don't see us. And this is what happens. Now, what do we do in this situation? Accelerate or decelerate? Did a nice little swerve too to buy himself some time and some space. But yeah, decelerate or accelerate. Do something. Okay, get out of the way. He did exactly that. Did a good job. Saved himself. Whew. If you like today's video, make sure you click this video right here to keep watching more. But if you want to become a smart rider, click this and grab this Smart Rider Basic Training ebook. It's going to help you become a smart rider by planning your ride, rescuing other riders, knowing what patterns to look for, and so much more. Make sure you grab it. Link will be in the description also. I'll be seeing you around.